remote workers, welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's the thing again with jobs. Yes, we have worldwide jobs. Okay, as you all know, on this YouTube channel we do share worldwide opportunities. Yes, we have this company, wingsassistant.com. Yes, this is the company which can hire you regardless which country you are. You can be hired through this website. Actually, if you remember last week, I shared with you, I think it's this week, okay? So I share jobs every day, so I even forgot. I shared with you this website, 24/7 VA. So you can apply through this website and get a job as a virtual assistant through this website, 24/7 VA. Similar to this one as well, you can be hired through this website, Wing. The reason why I normally try to give you the well-known companies, like this company is very big, Wing is very big, Wing Assistant. It's very popular. I don't know if you know it. If you know, write down in the comment if you have applied to this company, Wing. You can be paid with them actually and become a virtual assistant. So I normally don't give you like any type of company because I know there is scammers out there, so that's why I just bring like this company like Wing, which is well known. It has reviews on internet. You can search for this and see. All right, wingassistant.com. This is the website, wingassistant.com, and then you go to jobs. All right, and then you will see all these positions. They have so many positions. It's open worldwide. You can see India, Philippines, Mexico, US, and other countries. Let's say you are in Africa. You have to click here, other countries. Yes, normally if I share with you jobs and you don't find it over there, you have to write down this company on your notebook so that you don't forget the kind of company, or you have to visit back the channel to see this company. Okay, so you can even save the video for your future reference. All right, if you are not ready to apply just right away, but you can still save the video. So let's move on to how you can apply. Yes, the jobs are here. We have this general virtual assistant. You can see executive assistant. You can see marketing. Let me zoom a little bit for you to see. You can see marketing, digital marketing specialist. You can see executive assistant. You can become executive assistant, and you can become personal assistant. Let's click here, personal assistant, and see what they have. It's full-time and remote. You can see, please whitelist the domain jesse.com, apply to job.com with your old email provided to make sure you get our emails. Yes, so this is the disclaimer for them. Genetic job description for positions stated below. Actually, tasks and tools will be discussed further when you reach the final interview stage. Please make sure that you apply for the right job based on your location and experience. So personal assistant remote. So Wing is executing mission of rebranding the future of work for companies across the world. We are looking for the one non-stop shop for companies that are looking to build world-class team. Okay, so here there is duties to become personal assistant. All right, here there is a responsibility: store, organizer, document and file, data entry, research product, purchase goods and secure samples, store and update, correction information for marketing and sales campaign through CRM system. So make sure you got informed with this system, CRM system. Create and send statement or invoice, track payment, record companies, mentor project, conduct internal communication, and organize company data. Yes, prepare books, hotels, rental cars, and something like that. So as you can see, It's very open and very simple. Actually, it's about data entry, organize the files, yes, book the rental cars, book the hotels, just to become personal assistant. It's pretty much simple, as you can see. And they request you to be available for US hours. So make attention here. They don't say like you have to be US citizen. You have to get yourself available for US hour working hours. Yes, you can work 40 hours per week. Okay, here there is qualification, bachelor degree of any certificate course. Pretty much simple. Okay, so only bachelor degree for any type of course. It's just to be like sharp to become a virtual assistant or personal fit assistant. It doesn't require any type of specification. Okay, excellent phone, email, assistant messages, communication skills, solid organization and time management skills, able to work on graveyard shifts, tech savvy and familiar with current technology. That is very important. All right, experience with word processing software such as Microsoft software, spreadsheet, and so many more. As you can see, it's simple. They don't request you high level of software, only spreadsheet, Microsoft Office, and then knowledge of online calendar scheduling. Technical requirement: USB headset with noise cancellation features, working with webcam, yes, background computer. As you can see, they request you all this. So guys, there is benefits here. They have all these benefits. You can see they have like perform intensive and many more. Work from home, from fun environment, it's paid training. They have paid training, job security and stability, and you can be paid up to 500 per month. Yes, this gives you the like image that this is the company which can hire you from anywhere. So it means this job was not designed for people who are in the United States. No one who is in the United States who can be paid this money, all right? But also they say the salary is based on experience and skills. Only qualified candidates will be invited to take the assessment and schedule for the interviews. So guys, this is the job that I had for today. As you can see, they have so many jobs. You can apply through Indeed. As you can see, all jobs actually which you see on Indeed, you can check like their reviews. You see on internet how other people said about the companies. All that, guys, for you. This is not the only job they have. They have so many jobs. I only presented this job to you just to give you like type of jobs you can find on this company. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I don't want to waste your time by going through all the jobs. Keep sharing my video. Yes, remember there is someone who is looking for this $500 per month. So share with your friends, and hope to see you soon in the next video. Have a great time. Bye bye.